in it. You fucking can't.
Why?
So it's version locked. Because the dude in Huntsman's Cops who sells you hexes sells it, and he won't sell you things unless you're like at a certain base int stat.
Oh yeah, I remember. Falcon, yeah?
Yeah, him. So since he sells it in Scholar, you can't obtain it in Scholar, but you can obtain it in Vanilla DS2.
I'm never downloading
It's
Vanilla
the
DS2.
fucking dumbest thing I've ever seen in these video games.
It's like a Vamos bonfire.
What the hell is this?
Vamos bonfire, Vamos bonfire.
Vamos bonfire.
The most epic addition to.
Yeah.
Why download PTDA and DS Fix when there's Vamos bonfire?
Yeah. DS Fix doesn't fix the fact that Vamos doesn't have a bonfire.
I
Now,
swear to
does
God, if the creator of DS Fix adds a Vamos bonfire, I'll fucking die of laughter. It'd be so hilarious.
Yo,
Sure, there's something on Nexus mods that adds the fucking Vamos bonfire. I'm like near positive. Let me see.
I mean, if it doesn't exist yet, we can make it.
Yeah, I believe in us. We can pick up DS1 modding quick enough for this shitpost mod.
Oh, come on, Steve. We have enough muted people.
Man, Iudex Gundyr phase 2 is actually kind of scary.
No, it isn't. Like, once you figure it out, you
Yeah,
just
but he's
have
so
to get
fat,
back
man.
to
I can't
mood.
see him. I actually cannot see him.
Iudex Gundyr is tummy thick.
Literally, the guy's higher half is covered in goop. That's pretty gross, man.
It's kind of cringe, bro.
He's kinda quirky, though. Haha, Iudex is dead. Easy peasy.
Too easy, man. Gotta make these legend runs harder.
GG easy.
Like, you see how quickly I killed Iudex?